Hey there tech enthusiasts, I am Vikrant, a dev wizard from Jaiinfoway, where we sling code like pros and make web magic happen with jQuery. Ever seen a website so slick you just had to click? That's us. We use jQuery to give our client that smooth as butter experience. Lightbox galleries, dynamic forms, you name it. Why do we rock jQuery? Speed, my friends. We implement features faster than you can say JavaScript libraries. We keep things updated, ensuring no outdated scripts dare to slow down us. And our clients, they love us more than their morning coffee. Why? Because we make their websites interactive, engaging, and totally addictive. Slide into our DMs and let's jazz up your web space. This is Vikrant signing off. Keep coding cool. Slide into our DMs and let's jazz up your web space. This is Vikrant signing off. Keep coding cool.